Hello guys, welcome to day 10 of my 14 days yoga series. In today's class, we will be working and targeting the upper body specifically. We will be cycling through a series of yoga flows that will target and strengthen your shoulders, your upper back, your core. It is going to increase your flexibility and endurance. With that said, let's get started. We are going to start today by sitting at the back side of the mat. Make sure that your big toes are touching, your knees are slightly wide apart. Bring the hands behind, interlace your fingers, extend your elbows, push your chest forward, and now feel the stretch in your upper back, in your shoulders. On your exhale, gently and slowly bring the chest down. Again, you have an option of resting your head down. Keep your arms extended up towards the ceiling. If you cannot touch your forehead on the mat, that is perfectly fine. You may use a block if you have in front of you, just keeping it under your forehead. That will give you a little bit of elevation. Inhale, now lift yourself up, stretch it out, push your hands down, even back. On your exhale, come down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. One more time. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, come down. This time, release your hands. You may keep it by your side. Taking 10 seconds to just relax. Now slowly come up into tabletop, making sure that your shoulders, your elbows and wrists are in one straight line, your hips and your knees are in straight line. Now tuck your toes. We are going to begin in downward dog today. So lift your knees, extend. If your heels don't touch the mat, that is perfectly fine. Start bending one knee at a time. We'll be walking on the spot gently. And now hold your dog, try to press your heels even closer. Feel the stretch through the back side of your legs. 10 more seconds. Three, two, one. Right leg goes up towards the ceiling. Come into three-legged dog. Hold, again finding balance and strength in your arms. Now you're going to bring the leg to the outside of the left leg. Keep the right ball of your foot on the mat. Stay here. Now slowly come back. We will go on the other side. Left leg goes back and up. Three-legged dog. Again, hold. Now you're going to bring the ball of your leg to the outside of the right leg. Keep holding, keep pressing the right foot on the mat. As far as you can go, again stretch out the hamstring of your right leg this side. Alright, bring your leg back. Once again in downward dog, make sure that your feet is hip width apart. Now this time, bending both your knees, keep your back straight. We are going to come into bear stance. You may just walk your hands slightly backwards so that your shoulders are in line with your wrists. Now hold. Again, keep your breath very light and natural, engaging and firing up your core as well. And now slowly extend back, downward dog. Now on your inhale, come forward, arch your spine into bear stance. Exhale, downward dog. Repeat, inhale, arch. Exhale, downward dog. 2. Inhale, arch. Exhale, 3. Inhale, bear stance. Exhale, 4. Inhale, bear stance. Exhale, 5. We are doing 5 more. Come forward, bear stance. Extend, down dog. Come forward, bear stance. And back. 7. Come forward, inhale. Exhale, back. 2 more times. Come forward, hover your knees. And exhale, back, down dog. 1 last time. Hover your knees and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend back in downward dog. Again, holding for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This time you're going to bend the knees. Keep your hips back. And now you're going to come forward into plank. Repeat. Hips go back towards the heels. Exhale, shooting up into plank. Go back and extend. Come forward, high plank. Repeat. Go back, push your hips back. Extend into high plank. Again, go back with your hips and shooting into plank. 3 more times. Go back and forward. 1. Go back. Come forward. 2. Last one. Go back and come forward. This time hold your plank. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now in your plank, drop your knees down and extend 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again, hold your plank. Engage your back, your core, your shoulders. Everything is engaged in your whole body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back in down dog. Again, hold. Just catch your breath. This time, extend the right leg back and up. Bend the knee, bring the knee to the chest into plank. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come forward. Drop the knee down. Lift the left leg back. Walk your hands slightly forward. Now bend your left leg. Grab your foot with the right hand. Pull the knee up. Everyone into tiger. Keep arching your back. Again, find balance on your left palm and right knee. Extend the leg, hand in front, 50-50 plank. Engage the core. And now we will be going on the other side. Drop the palm. You're going to come in down dog. Lift up. Now left leg goes up. Bend the knee. Knee to the chest. 10 times. 2. Lift up. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, hold, come forward. Now drop down the knee, lift the back leg up. Again, walk your hands just one step ahead. We will go into tiger, bend the knee, grab your foot with the left hand, pull it up. Extend, bring the arm in front. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop down your hand, your knee. And now come into child's pose. Just relax yourself. You want to place your hands behind, lift your arms up. Take a moment and relax. And now slowly lift yourself up. We are going to finish it off with elbow plank. So everyone, this time come on your forearms, extend the legs back, and we will hold this for 30 seconds. Come on. Twenty more. Last 10. All right, and we are done. Drop the knees, everyone. Lift yourself up. Come into seated position. I hope you enjoyed this very quick and effective upper body yoga workout. Well, if this was very easy for you, I bet you to do second time. All right, thank you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and follow me for more such yoga content. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Namaste.